Иди ко мне, иди. Иди ко мне, мой мальчик. Ай, скользко моему мальчику. Ну иди. Ух, тихо. Давай, быстренько.
Meow. This looks like the perfect time to scream at the top of my lungs.
Oh my god, you're so tall, you look like a giraffe.
That's why you dead built like a baked bean.
A baked bean.
Beans, hey. He's not happy because we're by his food. Oh, found it.
Way too
Get out of here, dude. You bit me.
Angel. Oh my. Can someone please tell me who started the rumor that cats are super independent animals that don't require constant attention? Because I would like them to explain this.
You're so silky and pretty. You so silky and pretty. I got your tail. I got your tail. I got your tail.
Sit.
Shakira, ¿eres tú? Wow.
Just giving him a hand massage. You like it? What? Did you just pull your fist?
Oh, look at the baby hamburgers! Oh, it's a shame that they're so cute, but they taste so good.
Cuddling dad, cuddling mom, cuddling pizza.
But
How are you gonna sit on my desk and get mad at me? Huh?
Odin, you can't play dead and also dig your own grave. It's creepy.
Butt liquor, 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 butt liquor.
Motherfucker, where is it? Where the is it? I swear to God. You laughing, girl?
His tail. Oh.
I could not figure out why he was in here making all this noise. Oh! No.
Helping my cat so he doesn't have a sore wrist when he is a big boy.
Everybody wave your hands in the air and say, wee you.
What are you doing? Ollie, what are you doing?
Hard salami.
Dude, it's one of the best.
Can I pet that dog?
No.
Can I pet that dog?
No.
Can I pet that dog?
No, he's
Can I
sleeping.
pet that dog?
I work all day and I come home to you doing drugs.
Get out of bed. Where have you been?
No.
Hey, what are you doing in here? Watch the way this dog goes downstairs, right? Watch.
This is perfect. 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 My belly is rumbling. I hunger, mother. I hunger. Why do you starve me?
Well, it's official, guys. Loki decided he wanted to be a dog today.
I gotta save my Doberman. Come on, Rem. Remy, come on. The door's open, buddy. Sorry, guys.
That's my character. I'm the trash man. I come out, I throw trash all over the ring, and then I start eating garbage, and then I pick up the trash can.
Oh la la! Oh well. King in the castle, king in the castle. Have a chair, I have a chair.
You're trying to tell me there's people that can look at a face like that and still not like cats? What kind of psychopathic, narcissistic, red flag having pieces?
I woke up to a crunching noise and saw my cat eating pork rinds.
Stop
pursing your lips while you poop.
Mmm, so good and tasty. Mmm.
Gromit! Wake up, Gromit! Come on, Gromit! We've got to hide the body! I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't mind. Shh.
Ai! Ai, que susto! Você quase que me mata de susto!
We cannot beat these. We cannot beat this.
Here, right here. All your needs will be met.
I'm hungry!
In a minute!
No, sir, this is my problem to handle. Thank you very much. What are you doing here again, dude? I know that's cat food. That's not possum food. Stanley, you see this?
Rip.
Wrong way. Oh!
Please quit playing the piano while my children are sleeping. Thank you.
I'm just in the bathroom chilling and I look over and there's a cat in my wall. And I'm really confused on how that happened. But I'm just gonna ignore the fact.
No. Yeah, you can't go back.
The body is round. His little legs aren't designed for distance.
You want to take a drive to Starbucks?
Man, shut your...
Ты что сделал?
Bombastic side eye. Criminal offensive side eye.
Heel. Close. Stop.
Please let go. No!
You're done. You're done.
And then BAM! She got hit by a big ass truck. What?
When you come back after not taking your cat on vacation.
Don't talk to me, I'll murder you.
Bubblegum in a dish. How many pieces do you wish? 2. 1, 2.
What?
If you didn't fight it. Optimus.
He wants the Taco Bell so bad. Please. 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 Please.
She slowly took off her wig, and she was completely bald. She then went on to tell me the most shocking thing ever. Your mom...
Have you been able to get the beverage machine to work yet? Oh dear! Interesting. Sorry, I'm leaving now.
Bagel, no! Bagel!
Oh my gosh, animal!
Mimi?
When you buy a cat to get rid of rats in the yard.
Meow. Meow. Meow.
Goose. Goose. Stop. Stop. Are you f***ing kidding me? Go.
That's my thumb.
Don't decline.
High five. Too slow. High five. High five. Too slow. So funny. Oh, Sophie, you're 3. Oh my god.
Oh, you're so cute, pup. Let me see you smile. Oh, that's such a cute smile.
I'm really just curious
how you got yourself in there in the first place, and now how I am going to get you out.
Cojones está pasando, tío? ¿Eh?
Jackson, where are you? Where is my wallet? What did you do with it? Where is it? You don't know?
Hey! Hey, girl.
You are freaking African Americans plus Mark.
Go. Jump.
Cannonball.